John, look at room 12. Mr. Carter checked out 2 hours ago.
Yes, I know, but he is still there.
Still there? What do you mean?
He is sitting in the chair. He says he is not ready to leave.
That is not possible. We have a new guest coming at 3 o'clock.
I know. I talked to him. He says the hotel is very comfortable.
John, we need that room. What do we do?
I have an idea. Let's offer him a late checkout form and a small discount for his next visit.
That is a good idea. And we can call a taxi for him now.
Exactly. Make him feel special, but help him leave.
I will print the discount card. You call the taxi.
Perfect. Let's go.
Mr. Carter is lucky. Not every hotel does this.
Happy guests come back. That is good for us, too.
Room 12 will be ready by 3. No problem.
Good teamwork, Mary.
Always, John.